Hi friends and welcome back to LearnVern. In the last session, we learned about how to create a configurable product. In today's session, we are going to learn
is how to create a bundled product. Now to create a bundled product, you need to create a lot of simple products and relate all their options. So it will be more logical that I show you. See, so we examine a bundled product in a way that you can create it from scratch. So to check a bundled product, go to your Magento with sample data, home and decor, and go to electronics. In electronics, you will find a media player with orders. Click on that. So in a bundle product, you don't know the exact price before you add the product to the cart. It will be showed something like this: from price and to price. How this price is added. So let's go to admin panel. Okay, the product MP3 player with audio is pretty simple. So just to make things more clear, we will see another product. If you scroll down, you will find something called camera travel set. So just click on it and you can see a lot of options here. As I said, it will always have a price, from and to, and it will show price as configured. This price is going to change as per your selections here. The difference in bundle product is each of this option is a different thing. Each of this option is a different simple product. So based on your selection, the price is going to change. Now, bundle products is very similar to group product, but it gives you an option to select multiple configurations as well. So as you can see, the camera model is the basic product, and then I can change its case, its memory, and a warranty as well. Now here, if you see, warranty is a virtual product. So in a bundle product, I can group different type of products together and change its price depending on the configuration selected. Now if you go to admin panel and check this product out, to search this product in admin panel, just select camera travel set here and search in a global record. So you will be redirected to this product, and in the product options, just click on bundle items. Now you can see this is a default item. So this is the title, then input type is selected as drop down, and there are two products assigned to it. Now both the simple products may or may not be visible individually depending on the settings, or each of these product can be sold individually as well. So here everywhere a drop down is selected and some products are assigned to it. It has a camera, case, memory, and warranty, as you can see here. And when you add it to cart, all the four products, a single bundle product combining all the four simple products will get added to your cart. Once you add a bundle product into the cart, you can see that the bundle product will have all the options listed. Now each of these product is listed as a simple product in the Magento admin. These products can even be sold individually if you want them to. Now let's add one more option in this camera travel set so you can have a better understanding on how to edit or create a new bundle product from scratch. So for now I am removing this product from my cart. To edit this product, just find the bundle product. Just search the name with a camera travel set in the global record search and you will be redirected to this product. Open the product and you will also notice a few differences between the settings of a bundle product compared to all the other products. For example, the SKU and weight is dynamic. It can be dynamic or fixed. If you have selected it as dynamic, then the base SKU will be the SKU of the main product and it will be changed as per your selections on the front end. The same goes with weight, because each simple product will have a different weight assigned to it. Now if you go to prices, the price of a product is also dynamic. Now please keep a note that the price, if you select it to be dynamic, it cannot be changed once the product has been created. And a new option, price view, is added in bundle product. It allows you to select two options, price range and as low as. If you select the price range, the product at front end will show a range of price as we saw. Just to have a clear idea, let's go again at that product. Okay, so right now it is showing from and to. If I select as low as, it will only show the minimum limit of the product. So I am just saving the product, and after the product has been saved, just refresh on front end. Here you can see the difference of the settings we changed. So now moving back to adding an option, to add a new option, go to bundle items. And suppose we want to add a new option. We want to give an option to a buyer that he can buy a hands-free. He can get in a hands-free or a earbud as a bundled item. So we will give a title earbud. And as all the other options are selected as a drop down, as you can see in the front end, we will select this to be a checkbox, just so you can have a better idea. Select checkbox and click on add selection. So this will add in a new grid here. Now to find your product, click on reset filter and find the product which you want to assign. So I want to assign this product. So just click on this and add selected products. So this will be listed here, and save the product. There are also a lot of other options there which were pretty much self-explanatory, like the position and whether it is required or not. If you change the position, for now, as the position is 0, it will be listed on the top part. You can get a better understanding this. If the position is 1 and the next is 2, then the first option will be listed before the other option. The same goes with this one. As the position is 0, it will be listed in the topmost part of the front end. Let's check it. Just refresh your page and you can see that we have it, the earbuds. Now as we have selected only one option, the product will be auto selected and its minimum price will always be 35, means a earbud will always be added to this product automatically. If you want to add an option that whether he can select it or not, go to your admin panel and change this to drop down and click on save and continue. Refresh the product on the front end. Because we were selecting only one option, the product was getting auto selected. Now it is a required option, but customer has the freedom to choose his product. The same thing will go to checkbox. Now if you go again and change this to a checkbox and save the product, this is how it will be available. Means either he can select this, user can select this one, or he can select both as well. So now moving back to the admin, you may have noticed that the bundle item options are pretty much similar to the custom options. So just to spot out the difference, each option in a bundle item is an individual product, while this is not the case with custom options. In custom options, you can just add in an option to change the price of a simple product. So this is where the bundle items come in.
In the next session, we are going to learn how to troubleshoot or debug if the product is not getting displayed on the front end.